we didn't really start on it until late that fall. However, look at that engine. There is no vibration. Having it balanced, plus running the fluid damper, she is smooth as silk. We did have a few issues getting her cranked. One was this harness here, down here where the body harness connects to the engine harness. In the time it was by itself, out in the open, a mud dauber had built a nest in the engine part, and when we went to screw it together, I thought it was tight. Well, I couldn't get it to crank for nothing, and I knew it was electrical because everything was working fine except it was not firing. So I unscrewed that, and the parts came apart with a bunch of dust. Well, I got a flashlight and looked, and sure as hell, all that mud up in there. I took a pick, cleaned it out, blew it out with air, hooked her back up, and she cranked up immediately. So, just for giggles, man. It's running good. The programmer's working good. The engine's good. I think we're good. And I'll post those results about the coolant sensor. Yeah, it looks like it's coming up. We'll see what it does. I'm not really concerned because we have this gauge here that is deadly more accurate. And we're only at 120 degrees, so 120, maybe 125 degrees. Yeah. Even on a hot day like this thing's going to take forever to get some heat into the engine. But man, I'll tell you what, she's running good. There's the stick shift, no vibration at all. Pretty impressive.